So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing PlayStation Network server error problem and we are doing some maintenance on PlayStation Network right now, please try again later. And any other error problem in your PlayStation when you opening any game, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I'm showing steps to fix this error problem. So guys watch this video till end. So guys, while waiting for the servers to come back online, try these steps. Number one step is restart your console. A simple restart can fix minor connectivity issues. Turn off your PS5 or PS4 completely with a few minutes, then power it back on. Okay, now the second step is check your internet connection. Sometimes local Wi-Fi issues can cause connectivity problems. Test your internet speed and restart your router if necessary, or you have to wait for some hours, then the servers are back. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.